All right, guys, what's going on today? We are here with a very handsome fellow, Jared Halbert,
No doubt about that, by the way.
a loan broker, mortgage broker. He has his own brokerage. Brick Mortgage is the name. It's fantastic. I have many clients who have used him. He does a great job. But today we want to pick his brain and his expertise to teach you guys the best thing to do insurance-wise when you're getting a loan to help expedite the process and to make the process as simple and painless as possible.
I'm glad you used the word expertise, Michael.
You're an expert. At
Makes
least I think you're an expert.
Thank you.
Okay, so I just have 3 simple questions for you, Jared.
Okay.
Ready for the first one?
I'm ready.
Okay. Does the lender or the mortgage company require anybody who gets a home loan to have home insurance?
Yes, they do. And the reason they do is they're the one lending the money, and they want to make sure that that asset that's obviously theirs is being covered in case there is a fire or some catastrophe that might take place.
Okay. Simple enough. So if you have a mortgage, you have to have home insurance.
You do.
Okay. My second question for you, does the homeowner or the person buying the home, do they need to pay the home insurance premium before the home closes? Does underwriting for the mortgage require that, or how does that work?
Okay, so that's a great question. So, typically the premium is $1,000 or more dollars. So yeah, people aren't going to want to bring that money necessarily to the table, but it is part of the closing costs. So they will bring that money in on a purchase as part of the closing costs. And what will happen was the title company is going to make that initial payment for them. The full year premium will be paid at close. They will also collect an additional probably 2 to 3 months of homeowners insurance that's put into their escrow account. So that way they already start to save up the escrow account. But again, it's part of the closing costs on a purchase. Yes.
Got it. So they're not paying this directly to the insurance company. They're paying it as part of the closing costs.
Yep. Part of closing costs to the title company when they go to sign.
Got it. Okay. And now probably the most important question, and it's the last question. Nobody likes their loan to be delayed. People want to close as soon as possible. From your end, from your perspective, what is the number one thing that the borrower can do to speed up the whole process in regards to their home insurance?
Okay, one thing that they do is reach out to their insurance broker, right, Michael? Broker,
that's right.
As soon as possible. And the reason why is just let them know, hey, I'm buying a new house. Here's the address of it. Can you give me a quote? And as soon as you have that quote, we don't necessarily need to get that quote from you, but if you give us your broker's information, when we call them, they're going to have that quote already ready, and we can get rocking and rolling on setting up the loan for you.
Beautiful. So don't wait till right before closing to get the quote. Do that well ahead of
time.
No,
we try to do that. Yeah, we try to do that as soon as possible because it is something that might take some time, especially if you're shopping.
Got it. Okay. So there you go, guys. The expertise from the lender side. If you guys need an awesome broker, I'll link Jared's details below. Like I said, he's great. I've used him before. The process always seems very seamless when I used him. So if you need someone, now's a good time. Low interest rates, right, Jared?
That's true. They are low.
Okay. Now's a good time. Reach out to Jared. He also does refinances, not just new purchases. So thank you, Jared. Appreciate it.